Guys, this is me, Gaming Daddy. I'm back with my new mode today, and today it's something a teaser preview from what I can do exactly with my future upcoming modes to some unsupported graphics card. Well, here's something. As you know, I am rocking an RTX A2000. This is the card. You can see over there. If I can show you, it's RTX A2000. All right. Okay. So I have made a tool that can and again, it's only for education purpose. I'm not here to improvise anything, or neither here to show you anything how it's done, or anything. I am not here to show you anything. In a simple preview, I can show you that what my tool can do. I can easily make my RTX A2000 to any RTX 4070, 4090, 4060. So for the test, I am doing it RTX 4070. So here are my extracted modded drivers. Okay, here are my extracted modded drivers, and in the device manager you can see I am having RTX A2000. Okay, now wait until I install this. So I will simply run the setup, yes, and agree and continue, and custom next, and here perform a clean install, because this driver will force everything to RTX 4070. So I'll simply put next and keep watching. It's still RTX A2000, nothing so fishy about it. Let it do the magic. So it's removing my previous versions. Okay. So it will restart my system. And after the restart, the real magic will begin. Alright. It's all in one go. I will not edit or cut anything. So I will do restart now. So my system is restarting. The machine restarted. Okay, so all my drivers are installed. So it will install my graphics driver again, and we will keep the note how it changes my device manager. Okay, so it's installing graphics driver, and I have up to device manager. Okay, see how it changes from A2000 to RTX 4070. That's why. I will do install the driver anyway. Let it install. I know this video is getting some longer, but you have seen it's already going. It has changed to RTX 4070 in front of you. So this is the proof what I can show you. And if you want me to release this mode, and I need like, share, subscribe, and just break the button. And you can request me, because as you know, my YouTube is not monetized at all. Yes, my YouTube is not monetized at all. So yeah, I'm having issues with that, as my YouTube is not monetized. So yeah, I have some issues with that, having and so I need really a support for that, for bringing this mode in front modes like this in the coming future. So here we are finally at RTX 4070 with my same system, no glitching at all. So right now we will try some games, like what we can really access with this. How about trying Where Winds Meet? It's a decent game. It will actually bluff your system that you are having an RTX 4070 card, but I barely believe you could activate the frame gen. But for that, I think the latest MSFG and other configurations are there. But yeah, but if you want some better graphics adjustment to your old graphics, this helps a lot, because it's a double bump on the graphics system actually. So you will really see and check how much bump we are getting. The game begins. Okay, before testing this also, I missed something. I'm going to show you that also. Let me minimize it. Windows menu. Okay, let the game play. Okay. All tab. Okay, let me minimize it. It's not minimizing. Okay, don't worry. Let me go to a new window, new desktop. Okay, this one. Okay, I forgot to show you this. Now in my GPUZ also, you will see I am having an RTX 4070. You see this? So this is a huge stuff, I'm telling you guys. And I'm also really excited what else I can do with this mod. So I will quickly get into the game and will show you exactly what we are going to see in there. So I have no spoof in this game. I have, okay. So I will quickly go to my settings. Where is my settings? Okay, so here's my game settings, and this is my display. So in the device you can see I'm having an RTX 4070. It's discovering exactly what I have. I mean, CPU, GPU, driver. Okay, so in DLSS, yeah, as I've expected, we cannot see frame generation over here, but if we use MSGFG or frame gen enabler, we can easily get it. But checking on this system, let's see the performance. How is the performance? Not bad at all. We are at 56 FPS at ultra preset, and graphics are really smoother. So we are at frame gen off. We have no frame gen enabled over here. We are easily getting 47, 48 FPS. But if we enable FSR, that is in every game we will see right now, let it be FSR, let it be 85 or 80, 87, let the frame gen on, and voila, you see it's 120 FPS. Yes, 73, 72, but not bad. Not bad. So we're easily getting 70 FPS in a frame gen, and that frame gen looks dope. Correct? And let me show you the settings. uh, Display, yeah, it's all ultra. And I haven't turned on the VRAM optimization. Maybe turning on give me some more frames. So in the menu I'm at 245 fps. That's great. And here I'm at 80 to 70 fps. It's again, it's it's locked to 70. Yeah. So that's what I have. That's all what I have with this mode. And if you want this mode, I gonna give you the mode, but for that I need some beds of donations for this, because it's a real headache to make an ADA RTX A2000 GPU. Believe it, it's a 4070. That too in a fucking this GPUZ mode, with all the sensors, with all the advanced, all the validations on. It's kind of very hefty job. And also I have also improved the bandwidth, the bandwidth at which it will share the same bandwidth at which the 4070 and higher grade tier card operates at. So this is just a temporary demo of RTX 4070. I can go up, bump it up to RTX 4090, but that's really insane and I don't know what it will do. So if this mode finds you great, please do like, share and subscribe. I will update the download link if I want to, but that's only a demo purpose, only an educational purpose, to show you what we can do right now, what is the capability, what we can do with the softwares right now as a reverse engineer. Thank you and have a nice day.